Come live with me and be my love. And be with all the precious things. Good for deep in mountain hills. The shallow rivers to whose falls and boy
Time drives the black fields to cold when rivers rage and rocks grow cold and follow the rest complains of cares to come.
a gown made of a finest wood. A gown made of the finest wood. Which from our land we could fair like sleepers for the cold with buckles of the purest gold.
The flowers do fade and wanton fill, to wayward winter reckoning ill. A heart handsome, a heart of gold, in a sandy spring that sorrows.
A bed of straw and ivy buds, with coral thefts and amber studs. And if it's pleasures that I may move, come live with me and be my love.
They gowns, they shoes, they beds of roses, they cups, they kirtle, and they posing. Sin breaks and withers and forgotten, in fallen in recent wrath.
The shepherd's wings shall dance and sing. For thy delight each May morning, if this delight thy mind may move, then live in me and be my love.
The bells of straws and ivy buds, the coral glass and amber studs, all this in me, no means can move, to come to thee and be thy love. But could it last and love still be? Had no choice, had choice no date nor age no.